In this lesson we're going to look at signing up the first time for ActiveCampaign and just walk you through that if you need some help with it. So if you go to the ActiveCampaign page, click on Try It for Free. You need to give a company name and obviously your email address. I'm just going to pause it while I do this. Okay, and then obviously read any terms you need to and then click Create. Okay, so what we need to do now is set our password, tell them a little bit about what we're interested in. Those are fairly straightforward things to put in, and then we'll click Get Started and see where it takes us. So I've completed those. I'm going to click Get Started, and we end up with a dashboard. All the information in the current dashboard that it's created for you is fake to a point. Until you start really using it, as you hover over it, you'll see it changes to telling you that you need to put your own data in. Obviously, some of the things are real, like you have yourself, I think, as the first contact. It has got a series of steps that you can go through. We'll go through those in this course in the right order. Please bear in mind that the free version has access to the CRM system. So you have things like pipelines and deals, so the deals that's up here. If you're planning on just sticking with the basic setup, then you don't really need to worry about the deals. That's something that comes along if you want to do more of a traditional sales pipeline process. But realistically, I'm quite happy with just the basic package and using the system that's as it stands. So I'll see you in the next video.